So take a look at this slide and you will understand the essence of the cloud computing. So inside the cloud may be hidden unlimited number of resources, hardware resources, unlimited number of applications that are provided for you, and different platforms that handle all of the applications. And you are not worried about their connections, their interconnections, and how do they work. You just use this service to maintain your business or make your calculations or solve your problems by different devices, starting from the personal computer and even the servers that may be used from your destination, from your location, and that is connected to the cloud services, and ending up with laptops, the tablets, and mobile phones. A simple example of cloud computing may be an email service that is widely used for nowadays, and I'm pretty sure that you already use one of them, like Gmail or Yahoo Mail system or Hotmail, so that all of the messages now stored within a cloud and not on your personal device, so that you can read the same mail from different devices at different time. And those devices are typically not capable of storing all of the information that is stored within this cloud service, and they just keep the small piece, the current information that is accessed by you from mobile phone or laptop. Another example is the office productivity software that is widely used and spread initially by Google system, Google Docs, and now is provided by Microsoft Corporation and many other that provide you a suite of office applications that can be used from a single web browser to make your Word documents, word processing documents. You can even work with spreadsheets and create your presentations without need of installation of office application on your particular device. And that means that you can use the cloud service without any initial investment. And the storage system, the third example, that is cloud service like Dropbox or a Google Drive. What is it? The Dropbox is the storage system that is provided for you to store your file and use this file from different places and different devices. Before those companies and before those businesses and applications, you were required to replicate your data and hold your data on your memory stick and always transfer this data from your laptop into your workstation on your workplace, and then you were not able to open this document from mobile phone, and you always need to synchronize all of these versions of your file, and that became a very great headache. So the Dropbox solved this problem, and the Dropbox was not the first one, and they typically work with the clients, the personal people, and another corporation as Box, they work with the corporation, with the businesses to handle the situation of accessing the same data from different devices by provision the centralized storage system. The common cloud characteristics is that it is on-demand self-service, the broad network access, the multi-tenancy, resource pooling, and rapid elasticity, and measured service. The typical architecture of a cloud service consists of two parts, the back-end part and the front-end part. The back-end part is hidden from you so that you are not worried about from what hardware resources it is created, what applications are incorporated in provision of the service to you. And the front end is the instrument or interface. How can you manipulate the data within the cloud? How can you operate with application within the cloud? And how can you control the business process? So the basic concept of a cloud computing, the deployment models. The deployment models can be a private cloud, a public cloud, a hybrid system, and community cloud. When you build a private cloud, you create it on your premises so that no one except the people you have indicated can access these services, this data, or applications. The public cloud is like a system that is accessed by different corporations or different people all around the world, freeware. And the community cloud, we can here say that the community cloud, and an example of a community cloud can be a GitHub, where all of the programmers, or not even the programmers, can store their source code of applications and share between each other without any cost. And the hybrid system is the combination of the private and public clouds with some different liaisons between them. The service models deliver cloud services to users as typically as a platform as a service, software as a service, and infrastructure as a service. The difference here is that a software as a service is a particular product that is used to maintain the sustainable business process. The platform as a service is the combination of software development kit, the libraries, the hardware resources, and additional applications that can provide you a service to create your application that is designated to a particular business. And here is named as a platform, so it will provide you a streamlined technology that give you an ability to use this technology to solve your problem. And infrastructure as a service typically concerns the hardware and combination of those hardware to maintain your applications. Infrastructure may consist of hard disk drives, the RAM system, the network system, the virtualized context, and many other that reside at a lower level than a platform.